Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlene and this is Unboxing with Arlene, and today we will be unboxing all of my ad items that I received from BoxyCharm's add-on and pop-ups. So if you want to know what I received, definitely just keep on watching. Before we get into this box, in order for you to get items like this from BoxyCharm, you will have to be subscribed to their base box, which is $25 per month, and it comes with 5 full-size products. The value of the box outweighs that $25 that you will be paying for it, so it is a great value. Now let's get into this box. And I'm not really for sure which is add-ons and which is from the pop-up, but we'll go ahead and get started. I do have 2 of these, and I know this was probably from one of the day's sales, like the pop-ups, and I got both of these for one price of $12.99. Great value. My daughter uses this, and these are going to be tucked away for Christmas, so love those. This is something I got for myself. Again, this was a 2-for-1. Again, $12.99 for this 111 skin. And let me open up one of these. This is the Celestial Black Diamond Contour Gel. And this is what it looks like. And it has a nice applicator for, you know, under your eye. So like that, I'll be definitely giving that a try. That is for me. This is another one of the 2-for-1s, pharmacy, and this is the Honey Grail Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. And my daughter uses this, so this will be tucked away for Christmas as well. This again was $12.99, and this normal price is probably like $38 or something like that, so it's very expensive. So to get 2 of these for $12.99 is a steal, definitely. The next item I have is from Pharmacy, and this is the Deep Sweet Pore Cleaning Toner, and this is what it looks like. Beautiful bottle, beautiful. And what do we have here? Oh, another Glam Glow. This was probably just outside of that 2-for-1, but also again for my daughter. I have the Aesthetica Be Fierce eyeshadow palette. Let's see what it looks like. It's kind of what it looks like there, but let's see. And it does come with a mirror. And those are the colors. Beautiful colors. Nice color story. Okay, the next item I have here is from Bliss. And this is a cream to water hydrator for all skin types. So, nice moisturizer. There. And that is what the packaging looks like. And the next thing we have is from Elemis, and I believe this is a primer, glow priming moisturizer. So that's what the packaging looks like on that one. Another item from Pharmacy is a brightening vitamin C eye cream. It's called Cheer Up. is. Very nice. That's the packaging on that one. The next item is from Touch and Soul, and this is a glassy skin balm. Very pretty packaging, and that's what that looks like. Okay, and what I like best about BoxyCharm is that you can get some high-end stuff there. A lot of these, couple of these other products are in here that are from Chantecaille. I learned about Chantecaille from No Makeup, No Beauty's channel. She does high-end beauty tutorials, and she's the one who introduced me to Chantecaille stuff. However, I could not afford Chantecaille stuff, so BoxyCharm had this for a very, very, very low price. So this is Chantecaille's Jasmine and Lily Healing Mask. And this is the packaging on that. And that is a glass jar too. The retail price on this is $92, so it's very expensive. The next thing I got is also from Chantecaille, and this is the Pure Rose Water. The retail price on this is $75. And that is what that looks like. Pure Rose Water. Again, that nice glass jar there. And the next item I have is from Chantecaille as well. This is the Faux Cils Mascara in black. And the retail price for this mascara is $49. I can barely get this out. Okay. And that's the packaging on that one. Very nice. I have a item from I Do Care. It's the Plush Party. And this is a buttery vitamin C lip mask. Oh, how cute. It's got the little face there on it. Oh, it's sealed. Oh. It does have the little scoops there. Nice, very nice. And I have from Saint Luxe is a limited edition eyeliner duo. Okay. 2 colors there. And I think this is my last item from Chantecaille as well. And this is the Smitten Cheek Shade, so a blush. I just love her packaging. This normally would retail for $40. Very detailed. You can see the elephant there. And, sorry. Very pretty. So those are all the items that I received in my box. Lots of great things, lots of things that I can also put up for Christmas. So again, if you like all these things unboxing, please subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share. Thank you for tuning in. See you the next time.